Hey everyone, John Henry here from support@schooloftrade.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at this wave pattern long on crude oil. We're looking at an entry at 109.85, which we just got filled, and this one looks like it's moving kind of quick, so I want to get these targets and everything placed quick-like, so we'll pop that right there. Second target's going to go 3 ticks from the high right there, and then the final is going to go at 17 right there. So basically, this is one of my favorite patterns. We've got a move down with after a 5 wave or a 6, depending on how you look at the numbers. So you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into that 6, and then we had a reversal past this 5 point right up there. So this is it's looking to be a pretty nice ABC correction, or a 1, 2, 3 move up. So we broke above that high, and we've got a 1 and a 2, and now we're forming a new 3. So I'm looking to take this up again and I mean, it might possibly continue again lower, but as far as the pattern goes, it's a nice pattern to hop in along with this. So got our fill at 108.85. We might have had an average target in there since we had 3 contracts. I think one filled at a different price, but so we've got our 3 in long. We got our first target at 109.95, second one at 110.03, and third target at 110.17. Once we take out that first target, I'll be moving my stop 1 tick below the low. Once we take out the second target and the swing high, and that's kind of the key, is once we take out this swing high up here at the new 2 point, we're going to be looking at trailing our stop up. So we just had a new low, so I just need to modify my first target down a tick. And now we can continue watching this really quick. And then once we start getting some favorable price action, I'm going to keep trailing my stop or my first target down as long as we keep making new lows. So now my first target's going to come off at 109.92 as long as we start moving up from here. It does look like there's definitely some accumulation in this area, but seeing a little bit of a deeper pullback, I guess, isn't too much of a surprise, because if you look down here, our wave count's a little ahead of this 1, 2, 3 correction, because you've got all the way up to a 7 wave now. So this one might be a little choppy on the way up, but overall I like the patterning on this. It looks like it's a pretty nice setup. So we're nearing the first target. So once we get that taken out, we'll be able to adjust our stop 1 tick below the low, the current new low at 109.79, so the stop will be at 109.78. Okay, so we got that first target filled, so now we'll go to 109.78, and now I'll be waiting for this second target to get taken out at 110.03, and again, once we break this high at 110.06, we'll begin trailing our stop up. So once we get the second target taken out, or the stop, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Just took out the second target, and now we're approaching the high. Price came really close to stopping us out at the 109.78. Came down a tick from our stop, so definitely glad that I kept it 1 tick below that move. So we had a quick pop up here, almost took our... I'm going to move my stop to break even first of all, and now we'll begin looking to trail our stop up. So our stop's going to be at 109.92 now. We came... let's see, 110.15 to 110.17, came 2 ticks away from it. We did create a new 4 wave, and it looks like we had a reset right here where we broke below our 5 wave down here, so it might get kind of choppy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trail my stop up a little more aggressively just to lock it out. I don't like the reset down here. That's not favorable for my position. So I'm just going to go 1 tick below the most recent green candle right here. And we'll see if we can get this target filled. If not, worst case, our stop's at 110.04, and we'll still be making a decent amount of profit out of it. Another 19 ticks on top of everything else. So see if we can get a bump higher. Otherwise, our stop will get hit, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. It looks like we got stopped out. It came up, I really didn't like how we had this reset in the pattern here back to a 1, 2, 3 in the opposing direction. That definitely isn't fuel to our fire. Now, if you're looking to go short, this might be the failure after that ABCD correction to go right back down short again. So, but in this case, overall, really good trade. And if you have any questions about the setup, feel free to send an email to support@schooloftrade.com. We'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can. Have a good one.